Guys, this is part 3 of the Roblox MM2 situation. So let's go to the Roblox. We're gonna see how much players to 500k to 1.2 to sorry guys to but we don't know if that's gonna happen. So let's erase all. Oop. Let's go to Roblox. 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 Sorry guys, I have to stop this. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's see how much I'm too late. What? It's still 1.2 million players. This makes no sense, guys. Anyways, so what could this be? What could this be? It's not an update. It did not refresh. So like, what could it be? I think I know one thing. Yes, we know B O. Guess what I said? Guess what I said in the comments. Okay, we're just gonna make it slightly. Let's see if you can guess it. Okay, bots. Yes, you heard me right. BOT. It's a bot.
It's a medication.
So let's just say, it went.
How are you doing today? I'm good. How's he? Eat better? Yeah, he's okay. Any cut out today? No. Oh, I think.
Oh.
Hi.
Let's just say this is just.
Then he came down. I told him it was an hour. I felt bad.
Let's just say this is a scale. This part in the corner where YouTube is 100k. When it died, it slowly got better and better till 200k. This point is 300k. Now when it downfalls to 50k, and then 400k, then 500k, 400k. 500k. So yeah. So if y'all don't know, I'll show you. This was 500k. Then it went a downfall because things was updating. Things were like down. like a big drop, like 150K. But don't worry, it got up real time. Boop, 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 boop. If you heard me right, 800K. Now downfall again. But this time, a low rate, like how it did last time. Oh no! 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 And then right here, 1.2 million. It's horrible. I know. But we have one way to solve that. Basically, let's just say this is you, like an average person. And you're playing MM2. And let's just say you see a bot. Okay, this skinny avatar is gonna be a bot. Pretend that's a bot. Pretend that's a bot. And he like saying stuff. And you're saying stuff to your friends. So he leaves one. Oh. That's one person. But more of them joined by that 10-second to 20-second ratio. So let's just say he left. No more of him. And let's just say you left 2. He went to a different server. So that if he talks, then more people, and if he leaves, then more people leave, and it keeps on getting. That's how we got 1.2 million players. And no, you might be saying, how? There's not that much bots, but look. I legit saw a bot one time. Like today. And like, they're like 5. No, not 5 or so. So that means we're gonna make a scale. 800K or 500K. That's one part. The other part is the rest. And both that together makes 1.22 million players. I know. It's just really crazy. I know. No. It just.
In a little bit, in like 10 minutes, start putting my socks and shoes on, okay?
I know.
Okay?
Okay. Roblox has bots. We already know that. Bots. And let me show you some of the bots. Well, actually I don't. I'm like, no, I ruined it. Oh no.
Why didn't you do it in a white screen?
Wait, what? Anyways, I'm making a video. I know. You might be. People might be so confused. You might watch other YouTubers' videos, but they're wrong. They're not gonna tell that one detail that I didn't even tell yet. But now I'm telling. This is the real part. Let me tell you what. Since bots are here, they leave. They join a different game. The players join a different game server. It loses but gains because of the bots. If they add someone, 2 people times 600K. Wait. 1.2 million. But it can't be all. It can't. Nope. It cannot be all. Because that's just bots. So let's minus like at least, let's just say 500K. And 12 plus 500 and 12 plus 5 equals around 7. So 700K. And some of the players don't not really do that. They just play. So let's have that again by 5K. 350K. So let's just say 350K is the answer of how much people invite.
You can have the holiday.
So if we say about that, and remember I said there's not that much bots? That covers up at least a 50K or something. Cause 350 plus 700 well, it's K equals like at least 3. It equals 150. It equals a lot. But again, we have to add this again because not this much people does it. Private servers. Like private servers are useless. So we have to split this in half. Make number 1.2 and make bots and make them both equal balance. So I have an idea. If I just join it's +1. If someone else joins, that's +2. If you're a YouTuber, sorry I spelled that bad, that's +12, I think. But not that much people are playing as YouTubers. So it's only plus like 100, like 1,000. That's plus. Good. 1,000 of those bots. Bots are like around 50,000 to 200K. Because there wasn't that much bots. But there is a lot of servers. So, but all of the normal people are just 1 million. No, we're not talking about that. There's 2 type of bots. Check my profile and blah 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 blah, like, you know, go to the vault. And actually we have 3. Just farming. There's a 3, and if we equal that together, we make 500 players, 500K, or 550K, or 550K, and with that, the normal people are just like 700 or like 650K. That's why it doesn't look like there's bots, but there is some bots. It's a small number for each amount of bots. So I might be wrong. I might be correct. So I don't know. I don't know. But this is just my answer. We all have answers too. Let's just say these 6 people are in the server. This one could be a bot. That one is a bot. That one's the bot. That one's the bot. There's 3 bots each server. So half and half. But there's not perfect. So it has to be 2, 4. Or it can be 3. Or it can be 4, 2. If you know what I mean. Like, this is the bots. That's the real players. Yeah. So there's 3 types of stuff. So, and there's one more thing. Bots leaves and joins the game, so -1 and +1. More people join after that. So that's how we got like plus 1,000. That's why we're getting a lot. So the total amount is how much people is in there. First, let's do the bots. The bots is probably like around 500K. Or like 550K. Humans, real life, 600K. I changed my mind about 700. Or 650K. Those are my final answers. And I might be wrong, I may be correct. I never know. And remember something. There's 3 types of bots. So it makes sense why I'm talking about like 550K. It makes sense. And all of them could be probably like 150k each. There might be 400k. There might be more humans than bots. There might be more bots than humans. But for now, we know that there's more bots than humans. Anyways, final results of the Zero Rapid Time. Remember, I actually found it. Wait. This is when we got popular. This is when it started going to the 2 million. Skyrocket. We're right here right now. By the way, I did 2 of them just because my tablet is wide enough for only 2. I mean, 1 million per. Anyways. So, yeah. We are on 1.2. It might get less. It might get more. And remember. We're gonna see how much they are. And if it still stays like that, we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about like why is it still there and stuff. I know it's really confusing. Okay. Look. So since there's still
Yeah. 2 minutes. Go put your socks on.
1.2. There's still 1.2. Let's talk about that.
3:21. Go put socks on.
I don't really know why.
Right?
Yeah, okay. Could be more bots than humans, to be honest. We're cracking the code. It's just that we're still missing one more gap. And I don't really know that gap. This chapter is called the final PART. The final part. Let's go in this gap together. This gap we don't know. If we go to Roblox, there might be accounts. Let's just say you're on Roblox right now. You're playing MM2 with 2 accounts. And if everyone was doing that and there were 600 players, 6 times 2 equals that. But most people don't even do that anyways. So 0 between 110k. Do that. But that's just 20.
So go put socks on now.
Wait. It's still 322. We're not done yet.
I said 3:21.
So, and it's still 20,000. So, what's the key? Remember when I said we were really close to finding out the truth? We break the code just a little. Not really know yet. So that means it's accounts. So why? Why is it like this? And why are we like? Why are there's a lot going? Wait. And why are they still going up or down? It's just staying there for life. Like this is the 2 million players. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. But it's not going down. Which makes 0 sense at all. Wait. Remember that I said there was 3 bots? 3 bots. That one, that one, that one. And they're all on different servers? What if the bot is trading with other accounts that's in all just in one private server? 2 private servers, all of them is bots. 2 private servers, all of them is bots. 2 private servers, 3 private servers, 4 private servers, 5, or maybe 6 of private servers, and they're all bots. And remember I said we are so close to finding out the truth? We got here. To here. So we cracked the code. We honestly cracked the code. Let me tell you why they do this. They trade with other accounts to make some money.
Angela, let's go. No one's gonna be here any second now.
IRL.
Angela.
Wait, Jalen, I'm still making the video on fast. They try to make money IRL to the bots they made. The bots they made gives them money. So it's basically like slaves. Anyways, since we found the code, it's time to meet y'all later. Bye. You're welcome to Making Out the Truth.